Are you a content creator looking to streamline your online business? System.io might just be the solution you've been searching for. It's an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help you build, grow, and scale your digital empire without juggling multiple tools. This powerful platform simplifies the complex world of online business for creators like us. From lead generation to product delivery, System.io covers every essential aspect. It's about consolidating your efforts and maximizing your impact. One of System.io's standout features is its intuitive sales funnel builder. You can easily design high-converting funnels to capture leads, sell digital products, or promote your services. This is crucial for turning your audience into paying customers. Email marketing is seamlessly integrated, allowing you to nurture your audience with automated campaigns. Build strong relationships and drive repeat engagement directly from the platform. Effective communication is key to sustained growth. For educators and experts, System.io offers a robust online course builder. Create and host your courses, manage student access, and process payments all in one place. Monetizing your knowledge has never been more straightforward. You can also build professional websites and blogs to serve as your content hub. Share your insights, showcase your portfolio, and establish your brand authority. A strong online presence is fundamental for any creator. The biggest advantage of System.io is its comprehensive nature. Instead of paying for separate tools for funnels, email, courses, and websites, you get everything under one roof. This significantly reduces your monthly overheads. Its user-friendly interface means you don't need extensive technical skills to get started. Spend less time on setup and more time creating valuable content. This efficiency is a game changer for busy creators. System.io also includes affiliate program management, enabling others to promote your products for a commission. This expands your reach and sales potential exponentially. It's a powerful way to scale your business. Embracing System.io means taking control of your creator business with a unified platform. It empowers you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Explore its features and see how it can transform your workflow. Consider how much time and money you could save by consolidating your tools. System.io offers a free plan to get you started, making it accessible for creators at any stage. It's an investment in your business's future.